Welcome to our channel HowzDatPlace.com. I am Neerja. So recently Georgian government announced new guidelines and rules for migrants. So in this video I am going to share some information about new guidelines and rules who are willing to stay or relocate to Georgia. So friends, these rules are not applicable or affect to any tourists or visitors who are genuinely willing to travel Georgia for business, study or tourism purpose. They can still process the same required category visa and freely travel to Georgia. So friends, please watch this video till the end to know major updated rules and regulations. So friends, Georgia has announced new changes in law related to the legal status of aliens. These new rules are going to apply from 12th May 2021. Rule number 1 for family members. First of all, there was not mention about the age of child. As per new rules, they mention only minor child will be considered as a family member. In case if you are applying for family reunion visa or a residence card, you can't apply for your adult children anymore. Friends, rule number 2, the DeFi category visa or a temporary residence card holder means for those who invested in real estate property in the territory of Georgia with market value of more than or equivalent to 100,000 US dollar cannot apply visa or a residence card for their parents on investment basis. Still they can apply for visa or residence card for their child and spouse. So in this visa category, now you will be granted only 1 year residency in Georgia. Every time you will get 1 year residency for on investment basis visa category. Friends, now rule number 3. Now you cannot apply residency as a foreigner if you are legally present in Georgia on the basis of extension. So your legal stay according to visa expired and you get extended legal stay means extended legal stay means you can legally stay in Georgia, but for residence card you are not eligible to apply for residence card. So in this case you can say that extension is legal but you are not eligible to apply for residence card. So now rule number 4, the residence permit will not be issued to a person who entered in Georgia with a C category visa or eligible residence permit. It means if you are a foreigner from any country and entering Georgia with a valid visitor visa or eligible residence permit, you cannot apply for a residence permit in Georgia. Friends, please clearly understand this rule because if you are foreigner and enter Georgia with a residence permit of any other country like Dubai, Qatar, EU country, which allow you to stay legally for 90 days, but you cannot apply for a residence permit anymore. So in this case, there are few exceptions like victims of trafficking, victims of domestic violence and investment residence permit. So now rule number 5, and it is very simple. So now you can extend your temporary residence permit up to 12 years but not more than 12 years. As per previous law, it was 6 years. Now you can extend your temporary residence permit up to 12 years. So now rule number 6, applying for PR. Now, if you are legally living in Georgia for 10 years, then only you are eligible to apply for PR in place of 6 years. Formerly, it was 6 years. Now, it changed to 10 years. So now, rule number 7. An asylum seeker will not be considered as a legal resident person to apply for a residence permit. So, friends, now rule number 8. As per amendment, now if any residence card holder found convicted in any kind of criminal offense in general, can be a reason for refusing or termination of residence permit. Formerly, it was applied only for aggravated crimes. So now you should very careful and make sure you will not be a part of any criminal activities by mistake. Okay, rule number 9. Now, authority to Public Service Development Agency is increased, and now they are allowed to visiting the place, inspect it, and interviewing the relevant person to verify and check any documents provided in resident permit application of any purpose. So now you can say that Public Service Development Agency has a rights to visit or cross-check or verify of any documents for any purpose of a residence permit. Now, rule number 10, the decision of the authority body on the exclusion of a foreigner from Georgia also becomes a new ground for refusal of a residence permit. So now rule number 11. So friends, if you are applying first time of any residence permit will be issued for the period of 6 months to 12 months. Only in some exceptional cases it could be issued for period of 5 years for the first time. As per previous rule, it was for 1 year to 6 years. So finally, friends, I want to clarify you that with C category visa or residence card or any other country visa, which are eligible to visa-free entry in Georgia, you can still travel and stay in Georgia of your visa duration. But now, you cannot apply for residence permit in Georgia anymore. Uh, to summarize, I strongly suggest to all of you that always apply for appropriate visa category and procedure if you are willing to relocate, and if you are willing to travel, I think now after these rules it will be more easier for tourists. So friends, for more information, we have provided a link in the description, or you can contact immigration lawyer. From there, you can get accurate details about the new rules. If you have any query or any question, please write us in comment or contact us through our portal HowzDatPlace.com. We will try our best to solve your query and questions. Thank you. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.